Hi there everybody, this is Tim from Second State. Today I'm going to show you Second State's integrated development environment for creating DApps. It's called BUIDL. Okay, so over here at buidl.secondstate.io you'll see this IDE. If we have a look in the contract tab here, we'll see some contract code which is written. We can go ahead and compile that code. And then from there, we can also go and deploy that to the chain. So let's just have a look down here. We have the ABI, which has been generated during the compile process. And we also have the bytecode that's been generated during the compile process. Now, if we have a look down the bottom here, we'll see a providers link. And you'll see here that the default blockchain for this particular build tool is the Second State dev chain. Now, this is by default, but of course you can change this out, and you can also connect this to the Ethereum mainnet or Ethereum testnets. You may also notice here that this Second State dev chain has a very fast block time of 1 second. So this is a fantastic development environment for your complete DApp solution. Okay, so let's go ahead and deploy this smart contract to the blockchain. So we click deploy, and we'll see down here that the transaction's been sent, waiting for confirmation, success, and the new ABIs are submitted also to our ElasticSearch index, which makes up the smart contract search engine. Okay, fantastic. So from there, we head on over to the DApp tab. Now this is essentially looking at the front end of the application. And you'll see here that we can edit the HTML of this DApp and also the CSS, and as well as that, the JavaScript. Now, if you have external resources, for example, if you're using Bootstrap or jQuery or any one of those JavaScript libraries that you'd just like to import, you can go ahead and import those here. And similarly, if you're using any external CSS for display, you can just go ahead and click the plus sign there and input the URL of the CSS library. So once your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are ready, and as well as this, we'll just quickly flick back to the contracts tab. And as well as this, you have your smart contract, which has been deployed. So here you'll see this simple storage contract deployed at this address on the blockchain. We'll go ahead and run the DApp. Now, when I click run, you'll see here that it creates the output HTML on the right-hand side. So let's go ahead and use this. So we'll click set data, and this creates a pop-up. Please input a number, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We click OK, and the smart contract has now created a transaction. It's put that data into the blockchain, and now if we click on the Get Data button, we will see that it goes ahead and gets that data from the blockchain and presents that back into the IDE. And there we have at the bottom here the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's really about it for a quick run through the BUIDL tool. This is a really amazing smart contract development environment that once again handles your smart contract code as well as the front end HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And in addition, we also have the ElasticSearch smart contract search engine, and we'll do some more videos in the future which show the advanced usage of that. Okay, thanks for joining us.